it worth falling off more? How much more speed will we get, I guess, is the question.
What happened to the J?
He's close to the finish. He's head ahead now.
Oh yeah.
How's big wind shift right now. No, we need one.
Yeah, we need one, yeah. We'll probably get screwed with that too, though.
No, we'd get screwed less at least.
Maybe, yeah. That's good going.
We are catching them.
Oh, that was fun. I had fun. Thanks.
Hey, thanks for coming out.
We all survived 30 miles.
This is cool. We've never been to finish this much with this much action around it.
Yeah, it's pretty crowded. We did pretty well. I mean, look. Some of those boats are big. We usually beat the J105s, and they give J105s give them time.
The what, T10s?
Yeah.
It always works that way. I mean, I don't know how. I know they're great sailors, but I don't know if it's.
You know, the boat might. The thing is, in
Is that circus over there?
that 15 to 20 range.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. What's the guy just turned? He just came up to get the ley line.
Oh, so the circus is too much below.
Yeah.
We're gonna get the circus.
Well, that's what Hank will be, sir. Early. Yeah. We're closing in on striking. I mean, we're out to get them, but we're certainly getting close. Attack them, we got them, unless they've got, or they can nose up.
Pretty much.
The circus may screw striking. They may.
That's your J30, buddy.
Yeah. Well, they won't screw us. They may screw striking. They'll turn in before they get to us. I didn't think circus would come up that fast. All right, everyone, start pedaling.
Starboard rights somehow if they have to pack.
Can you turn on? I mean, is there anything?
Looks like, yeah, for him too.
All right, drive fast, Matt.
Okay, they're attacking.
All right.
Fall off in the grate.
You fall off and yeah, you can constrain them. Yeah.
I guess it should be.
Nice.
No.
Guess you got it, huh?
Let's go, man. This is fucking sweet.
Is that for us?
So excited.